Spies coming in high here. My stop loss will be 412 if I play this.
He's asking what strike right there.
The 412s.
Somebody was asking.
Probably not going to play it the way it's moving here. Showing weakness here on every bounce. Yeah, this looks nice. Cool. I passed on that trade, guys. Not the way I wanted to move at that area. Yo, I just try to bounce. Wow. All right. Yeah, go ahead, play it, Maddie. You guys see Tesla? I mean, Netflix 363 here. There's nothing for that. Yo, look at Amazon, Frankie.
Yeah, I mentioned it pre-market.
Flat top here, 117.16. It's actually way stronger than anything else here.
I mentioned it was a side watch for me just because of FOMC minutes today.
Mm. If Amazon keeps moving higher here while the market drops, I'll be interested at that 117 level, guys. Looking at the 117 calls, of course. I'm not going to go far out the money. Spies finally coming down here. Yo, Amazon, wow. I like this 117 level. From how strong this is compared to the market, this is nice. I want to see a bounce on the market. Looking at the 117 calls on Amazon. I want to see the strength.
Yeah, SPY is either gonna have a extremely strong bounce or it's gonna flush here. Low volume here for a bit. I'm about to get out here on SPY.
Nice. New low right here on the bid.
George, this was my target. I sold for a very small profit. I just didn't like the price action on the way down.
Nah, I don't like it either, but it was at least not breaking to the upside any aggressiveness. I just scaled out some. I'm probably gonna get out here. We don't flush right through. I do like how we finally closed below the on the falling wedge on the 15 minutes. So I was expecting a little bit more aggressiveness there. But yeah, ES is right at 41.30 here. So I did scale out here. See what happens. I'm up 15% right now. Hey, I like how I won yesterday.
Yo, I think I seen that.
Uh, nah, Maki's gonna redo it. Maki's gonna redo that the drawing.
I'm doing a $200 giveaway with the Discord. It's in the general announcements.
Bro, did you see? Were you on the live? Nor when he was doing it or not?
Nah, I think I was asleep.
Bruh, right off the back, he's like, "Are y'all ready?" And everybody's like all waiting. He hits the like to roll or whatever. He hits the roll and then boom, like it just blocks him out. Like, hey, you got to create an account. He's like, "What
Yo,
the heck?" He's like, "What?" He was like, "All right, that was an epic fail." He was like, "All right, let me create an account." He creates the account, rolls it again, and it blocks him. Says, "No, you got to pay now, $9." I was dying.
he ended up doing it.
Yeah, he ended up paying the $9. And then guess what happens after that? He rose, and guess who wins?
You get to redo it.
Nah, nah, he was like, I was looking, I couldn't get on the live to close to him because I was trying to tell him to redo it. And then he on his own says, "All right, I'm gonna do another one so y'all don't think it's rigged. I'm gonna do another $100 giveaway." Guess who wins?
Frankie.
Yeah,
Yo,
bro.
that's what happened.
That's exactly how it happened, bro. Oh man, that stuff had me dead, bro.
Yo, yo,
Lucky it.
Tesla new low here.
Not bad. Nah, he's gonna redo the 200 for y'all. He's gonna redo the 200. Make sure y'all comment and like his picture, his post.
Tesla about to break 179. Where's Amazon? Oh, thank God Amazon pulled that. I really did not want to play that today. Here it goes. New low on Tesla again. Probably selling here. Just waiting. Giving it a sec. Oh, there it go. Oh my god. All right. I'm out on that break. Take that. Let my target hit right there. And then Amazon's just not going to happen, which I'm happy about. I didn't want to be in 2 trades at the same time. Or I got a trash fill on that sell, I think. Hold on. I got 370 on the sell for Tesla. Now I'm nicely green.
Nice. It's coming back for more.
Yeah, I got about 17% on Tesla.
You caught that as well, Schneck?
I caught SPY.
Wow. I did not see that till just now.
I was watching 41.25.
Where are my contracts
IES.
at? You took the 411s?
Yeah. We were so close to 411, so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
gonna
okay.
just at everyone. Because everybody on Friday when I announced.
So I'll do a quick recap on these trades. These are all bookmap based. Most of my SPYs are bookmap based. So let's see my orders. 40 and then 43. So here I got in right when that low broke, so right there, and then 43, probably right there again, and then my sells on this one, 45. So when we broke that, and then when we reclaimed that, the reason I sold here was because I expected a bigger move through. I didn't expect this price action. I wanted more this price action. So yeah, I just personally didn't like the price action on that. Technically everything was working for it for me to hold, but I don't know, I guess I wasn't patient, or I didn't like the price action on it, or a combination of both. I wasn't really looking to hold through a bounce after this low broke because I just wanted it to break pretty quick. This move, my stop loss was 412, so we were literally a cent off, which that's good. I didn't get stopped out, and I had a good stop loss. But that bounce wasn't really expecting this bounce, but I had my stop loss. I got in on this candle was a big green to red, so that's good. And then the reason I added was because come down, retest that low, break that low by a little bit, and then come back down after an attempt to push back up. So for me, what that tells me is that sellers are in charge, and I want to see them keep pushing it down. They did, but it was really slow, and I wasn't looking for a slow move because I felt at any point buyers could have stepped in and, you know, pushed us back up and make this a choppy day, which today was FOMC, so it very well could have been a choppy day. I'm gonna show you my orders on the book map.
Nvidia's getting smashed here, guys.
I'm not trading Nvidia. Okay. So it's 40 and 43. So 43 I bought here. So first buy was this low break. I did buy into liquidity, but I expected it to break. So for me to hold through this is kind of risky. But my stop was on SPY. It was 412 on SPY. So I stuck to that. Usually, if you're playing a low right into liquidity, you want to see this break because then you will get a bounce like that. This is buying pressure down here, and then this was my target for this break. So then my second buy was somewhere around here. We broke that, kind of very slowly went down. So okay, so this was another thing. Once we broke, so let's look at it like this. We have that liquidity, boom, we break, and then very shortly after you see buyer set up, and then if I look down any bit, there's buyers setting up here too. So I see that one, buyers are just going to keep setting back up at each new low, and two, this is not going to be a clean move down like I wanted. I wanted this to break and then the only next resistance be this 4130. But seeing buyers set up here, I sold pretty quick. So my sell was 45. So let's see where that is. Here, my sell was in this move. We retested that, so I sold. It was a new low on SPY. I sold there because I didn't like everything that was happening, and then I sold the other one on this move up. So that was that first trade. Was it a great trade? The setup was good. It's just that there was changing factors throughout the trade. So one red flag is that we have liquidity here. I wanted this to break right away. I didn't want us to bounce. We did bounce. I didn't hit my stop loss. And then when we came back down, I liked it more because now the setup is even better. It looks like to me that this low is going to break. So I added here. The low broke, but then right away, buyers came back into the picture.
Well, there goes NVIDIA.
There goes NVIDIA. So that was that first trade. Let's go over the second one. 1002, 1004, 1005. Okay, so a very similar story. 1002 and 1004, probably added there, and sell at, what was it? Okay, so pretty much the open of this candle, or close to it. So I probably sold there, around there. Are my sales the same? Oh wow, that's crazy. In 5 seconds, yeah. $6 change in contracts. So 1002, 1004, 1005. What I saw here, let's look in the book map, because I know this was a much more book map used trade. So we have a similar story on this one too. Okay, so 1002 I bought here when we broke that 41.25. We bounced immediately, which is not really what you want to see, but again, my stop loss didn't hit. When we came back down 1004, I bought again because buyers tried setting up again. They were very weak in this new setup or whatever, so we broke that pretty easily. My target was 41.20 because if you look here, at this point we have room to 41.20. 41.21 is a resistance area. At the time I wasn't even thinking about it, so like if you come here, you don't even see that 41.21 really. That kind of came more into the picture. So we broke that. I sold here. So this first sell was was like right here. We broke that low. This was a premature sell for sure, looking back at it, and during the trade I kind of did realize it was a premature sell. The only reason I sold is because today is FOMC. I wanted to take some off the table for profit before something like the last move happens, where buyers just step in at pretty much every dollar below into my actual profit target. So I sold pretty much all during this move. The last sell was a little bit later, 15. So my last sell was in this area. We slowed down, and then at this point I noticed, all right, so there is more buying volume here. Let me just take the move that I caught. It was good enough, and call it a day after that. So that was that trade. Another one where if I did hold, I would have made a little bit more, but it's not worth the risk to me, especially on an FOMC day, and especially with the previous price action of the day. It's a slow grind down versus a steep move down. So that's why I took the trades the way I did today. But I just wanted to leave that recap pretty short. I use Bookmap for 99% of my SPY trades, just because ES and SPY move pretty much 1-to-1. Oh wow, we broke that. That's actually pretty crazy. I didn't expect that. But yeah, so those are my trades for today. A green day. I think I executed well based off of the information that was presenting itself during the time of the trade. The only thing I didn't think about before the first trade is that today's FOMC, and that it can be a slower, choppier move. But I think I did well managing the trade, managing my stop loss, and then also taking profits before my profit target, knowing that price action wasn't that clean. But that's it. Peace.